Alright, today we're going to post a large number of posts on Thread accounts so you can get a clear idea of how to post on Thread. Now let's jump right into the Marketing Star software and get started. This is the Marketing Star software, and as you can clearly and distinctly see on the screen now, if you are looking to post on the Thread platform, you will need to direct your attention to the left side of the screen. There, you will find a specific and clearly labeled function called Thread. You simply need to gently press or click on a particular part of that function, and then you will be prompted to make a selection. You will choose this Thread option. After you have successfully chosen and activated this particular function, you will then observe on your screen a comprehensive display of numerous Thread accounts that I have already meticulously prepared and integrated into the system. Following this, you will perform a crucial action. We will carefully select the specific Thread accounts that we intend to use for our posting activities. For instance, in this demonstration, I will proceed to choose approximately 3 of these available accounts. Now, if you shift your gaze to the right side of the screen, you will notice a dedicated section prominently labeled Post Review. To effectively post on this Thread platform, you will be presented with a variety of flexible options, such as posting content in the form of raw data or perhaps as plain text. It is also possible to post in the form of an image. And importantly, you can still attach additional benefits or supplementary information for your audience. Furthermore, it supports posting in the format of a video, or even in a more engaging format like a horror-themed post, or perhaps a survey to gather opinions, or even a tank-style post, or is it a kind of lie? In this particular scenario, we will opt to choose to post according to the type of data. Subsequently, you will execute another important action. We will proceed to the section that allows us to choose content based on the benefits that have been meticulously prepared in advance. We will then configure the general settings and parameters for all these selected accounts. Following this, you will perform an action similar to this. You will not need to navigate to this specific area because by taking the check here, these accounts are already capable of sharing the article. But why is this the case? It is because I have already diligently prepared 3 distinct benefits here, so you do not need to choose the story of sharing the benefits anymore. You simply need to select all 3 of these options and your task will be complete. Each individual account will then post a different type of benefit. Isn't that right, everyone? And after you have successfully completed your selection process, you only need to perform one final action. That is, you will also set the number to 1 now because we only intend to post a single article at this moment. Then once that is done, you will press the start time button located here at the designated start time, everyone. And you will then observe how the software diligently works so that it proceeds to post on these Thread accounts for your continuous benefit. It's incredibly easy and straightforward. Even if you happen to own a very large and extensive profit account and you desire to post content to push engagement every single day, this software proves to be exceptionally convenient and highly advantageous. This is because you can completely and effortlessly push hundreds of articles to Thread every single day. It is truly very convenient because everything operates in an automatic fashion like this. You also do not need to spend any significant amount of time to manually do each benefit one by one. You don't even need to prepare a multitude of different benefits. You can create that bin structure to benefit so that it can multiply the benefits. Then it only requires one benefit, and it possesses the remarkable capability to multiply several hundred benefits together. Consequently, all your accounts will be operating with the same benefit. Okay, everyone, there you have it. As you can clearly see, its accounts have successfully completed the process. You see, then in just a moment, we will collectively check these Thread accounts to ascertain whether the software has successfully posted the benefit on that particular Thread account. Everyone, it's done. Now, to verify the successful posting, you will navigate back to this outcome management section. Within this specific section, you will carefully select the accounts that you have previously used for posting. In this instance, there are 3 accounts. We will then press the right button and we will choose the option when to print outcome and when to print thread. This action will then open up all your Thread accounts. It will open up in this manner primarily to allow you to visually comprehend how the real process functions. First and foremost, these are the types of Instagram accounts that transition to Thread, so it will initially go to Instagram. You will then need to wait for a brief moment. Following this, it will then push the command to Thread for you. Okay, now the software has successfully pushed the command to Thread thread. You can now completely and thoroughly check your accounts within this personal page section to determine if the software has indeed successfully posted the article on the internet or not. As you can clearly observe, this account has successfully posted an article. You can verify this account in this manner. Actually, it's all uploaded and functioning correctly. This entire process is remarkably simple and user-friendly. All the software is working precisely as intended. I wanted to check this specifically so that you can personally witness whether the software is functioning correctly or not. Do you see? There, 3 different types of content, you guys. You can check in the content management section. I have prepared 3 types of content in this boot threat section. For example, you can check this part here. This is one type of content. Next, here's another type of content. And finally, here's a different type of content. There you go, you guys. So you have witnessed how the software works. It's very simple. You can save your thread accounts however you want right here, okay? And thank you for watching the video where Hotuan went to buy this software with the feature of posting threads in text format. I promise you in the next videos on this thread platform, okay? Goodbye and see you again, everyone.